Are you ready to unlock a world of endless possibilities? Introducing the IELTS Centre, your gateway to success in the international arena. In today's globalized world, proficiency in English is crucial. Whether you're aspiring to study abroad, enhance your career prospects, or broaden your horizons, the IELTS Centre is here to empower you. Our dedicated team of experienced instructors will guide you every step of the way, equipping you with the essential skills needed to ace the IELTS exam. With our comprehensive curriculum, tailored mock exams, and personalized feedback, you'll gain confidence in all 4 language skills: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Don't just take our word for it. Our students have achieved remarkable results, fulfilling their dreams of studying abroad and reaching new heights in their careers. And the best part? We understand that your life is busy. That's why we offer flexible class schedules, both in person and online, so you can study at your own pace and convenience. Don't let language barriers hold you back. Join the thousands of success stories at the IELTS Centre today and open doors to a world of endless possibilities. Enroll now and let your journey begin.